The North Coast 500 has always been here, but its recent promotion has offered new opportunities, and not just for those that come to drive it. Footfall at Visit Scotland's Ulpal Eye Centre has increased 30% when compared to last year, and local businesses, such as this outdoor clothing shop, have cashed in.
Well, the North Coast 500 has been very good for our business. Overall, we're up on the year before, and I would say, to sort of sum up really, I think our season started a month earlier and it probably finished a month later, so it's been had a big effect on us, so yeah, all for the better.
The road trip was recently voted one of the world's best driving experiences. For many, it has been a great concept.
Yeah, as a district nurse in the village, I have noticed the road's been a lot busier throughout the summer. It's been really good for the village.
Yeah, it's definitely made a big impact, and it's certainly not just people with big fancy cars and lots of money. Like, everybody seems to want to do it, whether it's motorbike, cyclists, whatever. And it's definitely been good. It's been a big boost here last year.
I've noticed quite a higher volume of traffic on the road during the summer, so my journeys are taking slightly longer, a good 20 minutes onto my journey to get to my destination. But all in all, it's quite good for the area.
The NC 500 found a global audience when it appeared in the latest series of Top Gear. Such coverage means record numbers are set to take on the Highland Adventure. However, with challenging climbs and long spells of single track on the route, some locals are now worried bottlenecks will occur over the busy summer months. And regional MSPs are now calling for a 10-year plan to get the roads up to speed. Darren McRae, reporting Scotland, Ullapool.